Hi everyone, I'm Rahul Srivastava from Team Hot Wheels India, and I created today a new track set that is called Twist and Turn Spiral Track, and it's from Epic Track Set. It's a vintage track, that means old one. So I'm going to show you. Look at this. That's the snake kind of spiral one. Let me take you a closer look. So I tested with some cars. See how it's holding the curve. All these three pillars are from Power Booster Trackset, Hot Wheels Power Booster Trackset. From there, this is the one. Yep. So so here are two boosters, two different boosters, and here's one curve. Here, two booster, different booster. One is normal, one is this one. You can choose the speed. You want the middle one, you want the higher, you want the lower, like that. So that is how it goes. It's a oldest one. I got this in the year 2000. So yeah, it's a vintage booster. See how it cools. Cool track. So basically it's a small one, and I made it over here, and I'm using two cars. One is Stalker, Hot Wheels Stalker, and to induction. Make sure you use only Hot Wheels car. Okay, no other cars. So I'm turning on the booster. Let's test. Okay. Earlier it was going. I don't know what is wrong. Let me take a closer look. Can you see how it's zooming away? Okay, Stalker. It took, I guess, it's the seventh lap. 8, 9, 10. Oh, non-stop. So let's see if this induction can breathe or not. Oh, whoa! That means it is out. So I'm using this another Hot Wheels. Why I'm saying this? All these light cars, because all these are Hot Wheels. So okay. That means it failed. So I think only the Stalker is a winner, right? Let's see them. Hot Wheels. Go Stalker. So Stalker is a winner. Zooming away. That's the coolest one. Non-stop. I guess Stalker is a winner. He's a champ. Two induction couldn't able to do that. Number 8 didn't do that. And this guy also, he's out. So Stalker is a winner for Spiral Track Up. So he wins the challenge. So I hope you like the video. And if you like it, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. As my team members are not there, very rare, they are out of town. Some of them left the city also. So yeah, so after COVID, they are not available over here. I'm the only one who is creating the track set. But this is all from my team members. Without them, I'm nothing. They gave me idea, I apply, and this is my idea. I created. So it's my unique idea. Maybe you have seen somewhere else on YouTube or somewhere else, or you can also create this real track set. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. That is very main important, and comments are also available, so that your suggestions are very important to me, for me, so that I can create more amazing awesome stunts. This is the smallest one I made, and next time going forward I'll create another biggest one, I promise. Okay, thanks for watching. This is Rahul Srivastava from Team Hot Wheels India. Good night.